Hey there, interior enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the art of rug placement and sharing some handy tips to help you achieve that perfect balance of style and functionality. Let's get started. 1. Rug size and shape. First things first, let's talk about rug size and shape. The size and shape of your rug can significantly impact the overall look and feel of your living room. Your rug should be large enough to accommodate all of your furniture comfortably. A common mistake is selecting a rug that's too small, leaving the furniture floating awkwardly. So, be sure to choose a rug size that allows for at least the front legs of your furniture to rest on it. 2. Placement options. Now, let's explore some placement options for your rug. One popular option is the all-on approach, where the rug sits entirely under the furniture, creating a cohesive and grounded look. 3. Define zones with rugs. Rugs can also be used to define different zones within your living room. For example, you can use a rug to delineate the seating area from the dining area in an open concept space. Just be sure to select rugs that complement each other in style and size to maintain visual harmony throughout the room. 4. Layering rugs for added dimension. Another interior hack is layering rugs for added dimension and visual interest. Layering a smaller rug on top of a larger one can create a dynamic focal point in your living room while adding warmth and texture to the space. Experiment with different rug sizes, shapes, and patterns to find a combination that suits your style. 5. Consider traffic flow. Lastly, consider the traffic flow in your living room when placing your rug. You'll want to ensure that there's enough space around the rug for people to move freely without tripping over the edges. If your living room has multiple entry points, position the rug in a way that guides traffic toward the seating area. And there you have it, our rug placement guide for your living room. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more interior hacks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!